So hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to delete the unwanted mails from your mailbox. Watch the video till the end. If any doubts, please do comment.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are